Here's a great deal on a 2014 Toyota Sienna. This 7-passenger van has just over 80,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter 6-cylinder engine. Top features include front dual-zone air conditioning, delay-off headlights, a rear window wiper, a tachometer, a built-in garage door transmitter, a trip computer, and a split-folding rear seat. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.